Morning everybody, Stuart here from Hot Forex. It's Brexit day for the UK Parliament, 15th of January, and dollar's been mixed overnight, but it's got a bit of a bid in the early part of the European session here. Cable ran over 129.15 overnight. We've retested that level again this morning, and then we've come back down, and that looks to be going short of under that pivot point. Next support is down here at S1 at 128.10 zone, and the bottom of the Bollinger Band is next support there for that. So if this continues to move down, expectations are that they obviously continue, that the government will lose the vote tonight. 60-70% chance of Article 50 now being extended is what the market's thinking, whether that's second referendum or a general election or whatever the outcome is, but lots of uncertainty regarding the pound. Any clarification on that, i.e. reducing uncertainty, and that's why the pound's ran up here in the last few days, but we'll see. Euro, bit of sideways action this morning. We've dipped down. We've gone short. We went short here at 10 o'clock as it's crossed down again. It ran up to 14.85, turned down. We've got a bit of a bid on the dollar coming on at the moment. We've had some weakish French data. We got a big speech by Mario Draghi later on this afternoon, 1500 hours GMT. First time he's spoken in 2019. So watch that one. He's in the EU Parliament later on today. So support is here at 114.50 zone. Breaks this level, and we'll probably end up testing perhaps S2 again at 114.40 zone for euro. But big sideways action yesterday and overnight for euro dollar. Yen, on the other hand, dollars appreciate against the yen. Yen's weakened generally, and we've had a strong overnight session, ran right through the 200 period there at 108.65. Next resistance, it's rejected at the moment, 108.80 zone. It's turned down from that, but still relatively very well bid, and that's trended up nicely, dollar yen overnight. Oil and gold have both ticked down. I said yesterday, oil came down under this 51 level, testing 50 again, but psychological, it's still over that key $50 level, but sideways action again for oil in the Asian session. Support here at 50.75 and resistance at 51.25 for oil going forward. And where we are, gold, gold's held a strong old rally yesterday. We got to 12.95, come off very aggressively. Yes, as it is its want, gold, and then we dipped down again. So we're under 12.90 at the moment, but still, again, that was a little up and down, and then the latest short position would have been triggered there. As we're under the 20 period already crossed. That was a failed rise there as it's ticked up. That's been rejected. That was stopped you out there. This stop under here, and then we've moved down. That would have been added to as it's moved down. So under 12.90 this morning. Where's the next support? Well, support comes here. Nice strong support. This level I've talked about all the time and continue to talk about because it's as we move forward. The high 12.86.70 level, the 61.8 up on the daily Fibonacci level, 200 period on the 1 hour, and S1 on the daily. Big fat strong support there. So watch that test. For gold, So more later. Join me live at the webinar where we'll talk about details and markets in more detail. Remember, it's your session. We talk about what you want to talk about. So join me then at 11 o'clock GMT and have a safe trading session. See you all this afternoon. Take care. Bye-bye.